Good morning everybody, it's time for another shave. And for today's shave I'm going to be using Ethos Dragon's Beard. I got this from the BST. I'm looking forward to it. As always, I don't know the notes, but I can tell you it's a dark masculine scent, really nice one. It's on the F4 base. I think it says, yeah, F base. I don't know what the B4. Not sure what it means. I'm not a Ethos expert. I just enjoy it. Obviously, gonna be the soap and, excuse me, gonna be using the splash. And for the brush, I'm gonna be using the Omega Evo that I got. Actually, I got it with the Ethos. Pretty cool design. Simple, very comfortable, already lathered, and for the bowl I used the Cajun Diablo. Look at all that lather. I scoop out so little and it just exploded. So it's gonna be a fun one. Now for the razor, before I forget, continue with the dark theme, my Darth Amakuni with a Shick P30. Same one I used maybe once or twice already. I forgot, but it's gonna be a good one. Also, if anything, sorry for the audio. I'm testing a new microphone, so might be more sensible than the previous one until I get the settings right. Because I'm a nerd and I don't read manuals like always. Hope everybody's doing well. It's Wednesday, super early. It's like what, like 4 in the morning? So I'm just looking forward to this shave. Let's see how it goes. Looking a little bit too airy, but I'll work it. As long as my skin's slick, that's all that matters. This is going to be an easy day on the job. Just have 2 loads and hopefully a 3rd one so I can make hours, because the only 2 that I have are close by, so it's not going to be a long day. Only be working 8 hours. Ironically, that's the norm that I used to work in Puerto Rico, 40 hours a week. But 40 hours here is nothing. It's nothing. Unless you get paid a lot of money, of course, which I don't. It's not like I'm rich. I'm not in a bad position, but there's always better. Still looking good. Just add a touch of water. Not too crazy. I don't want to over drown it. It's a really nice scent. I enjoy this one. The other one that I have is going to be probably for tomorrow, hopefully, or next shave, to be more clear. I had 2 days of growth. Lately I've been doing every 2 days. But I've been really enjoying my shaves, and that's all that matters. Which is the problem, because you enjoy it too much and you just keep spending money. But there's so many good people in the community. At least I'm happy. That's all I can say. There's a lot of great people in the community. Minutes. I mean, it's not looking bad. Not the way that I would like, but Just add a little bit of water, just little by little. I don't want to go wild. This one got too airy, I guess. But anyway, it's gonna do the job. What matters is that it's slick on your face. That's all that matters. I don't have space to put the bottle. I have so many stuff. It's crazy. It's freaking crazy. I need a place to reorganize all my stuff here. I was looking on Facebook Marketplace of China displays or something where I can put all my soaps, at least. That's the thing that takes up most the space, so. Because, yeah, my razors mainly are next to me on the wall. They don't take much space. And the brushes, even though it's insane, but that's it. That's all I have for now. But soaps, no. Soaps are double what the space of the brushes are. Or triple. I don't know how many I have. I have way too many for the space. And it's getting to a point that is so unorganized that if I want to use an old soap, and I have to look for it, I don't look for it. Gotta clean up, dude. It's such a big mess. I need to take care of it. Let's go for it. 7 minutes. I'll check for hydration. Slickness. Slickness is the word. Oh yeah, he's slick. That's all that matters. Amakuni is so smooth. Very smooth. Definitely this is the razor that makes me use AC more. You don't see me using the other ones. And it's not that they are bad, but they definitely don't give me this enjoyable of a shave. The chill is the closest one that I have, but I have to use that one and see how it compares to the Amakuni, because to be honest, it's been so long that I used it that I don't really know. I don't really remember well, but I can tell that it's not as smooth and mild as the Amakuni. I'll see if I put it up for tomorrow or next shave. But yeah, still slick. Not the type of lather that I would like, but it still does the job. It's just more of aesthetic that I wanted, but it's doing the work, doing the job. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Here's the grain. very nice and enjoyable. There he goes. Super smooth. Very, very nice. Let's go the opposite direction. Unfortunately, I'm not getting any notes right now, but that's normal for me. Very smooth going across the neck. Perfect. Should be perfect. Check for cleanup. Very nice. Not gonna push it. There's no need for it. So just gonna go to the splash. Time for the splash. Hopefully the microphone doesn't pick up that noise, which I doubt. I'm sorry. I forget that the microphone is on the shirt. Time for the splash. Let's see. Not much burn. Very nice. I get like some dark, earthy, woodsy maybe. It's a nice, really nice scent. I cannot tell you what it is. I'm gonna tell you in the description if I find the notes, but because I'm special, and I do it for save it for later. Uncensored. But anyway, it was a great shave. Well, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching as always, and I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a great day.